Understanding time zones. Navigating through global time differences. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that touches on geography, culture, and communication. Understanding the phrase, "in another time zone." Whether you're scheduling a meeting with someone across the globe or just curious about how time works worldwide, this video is for you. Let's unravel the mystery of time zones together. Time zones are regions of the Earth that have the same standard time. The concept was created to help people keep a uniform sense of time across different areas. Before time zones, local times were set according to the sun's position, which varied from place to place. This was practical for small areas but became confusing and impractical with the advent of railways and telecommunication. The Earth is divided into 24 time zones, corresponding to each hour of the day. As you move east or west from the prime meridian, located in Greenwich, England, the time changes by 1 hour for each time zone you cross. This system allows the world to operate on a coherent schedule, despite the Earth's continuous rotation. When we say someone or something is in another time zone, we're noting that they are located in a part of the world where the local time is different from ours. This can have practical implications for scheduling meetings or calls. You need to consider the time difference to find a suitable time for all parties. Travel. Moving across time zones can lead to jet lag because your body's internal clock needs to adjust to the new local time. Broadcasting. TV shows and live events are often aired at different times to accommodate viewers in various time zones. Understanding time zones helps us connect and communicate more effectively with people around the world. Working or communicating across time zones requires a bit of planning and flexibility. Here are a few tips. Use world clock features on your phone or computer to keep track of the current time in different locations. Be mindful of the day and night cycles in other time zones to avoid scheduling calls at inconvenient times. Plan ahead and confirm the meeting time with all participants, considering their local times. Be flexible and willing to accommodate other schedules, especially if you're working with people in multiple time zones. Thank you for joining us to explore the concept of time zones and the meaning behind being in another time zone. We hope this video has illuminated how time zones affect our daily communications and activities across the globe. Remember, understanding and respecting time differences is key to effective communication in our interconnected world. See you in the next video, and keep learning.